Welcome to Own Product Pick, your go-to source for honest reviews, expert recommendations, and the best appliances for your home. In today's video, we're counting down the top 3 best gas ranges in 2025, featuring the latest models that combine powerful performance, modern design, and smart cooking features. Whether you're a home chef or just want faster, more precise cooking, these gas ranges offer excellent heat control, durability, and value for every kitchen setup. Fork and knife with plate. From sleek stainless steel finishes to high BTU burners and built-in air fryers, we've selected the best of the best for any cooking need and budget. So be sure to like, subscribe, and let's fire up the list of the top gas ranges you should consider in 2025. Number 3. KitchenAid Commercial Style Slide-In Range. The KitchenAid Commercial Style Slide-In Range is built to impress with its bold design and powerful features. With a sleek stainless steel finish and front control layout, it fits seamlessly into modern kitchens. This range offers a 5-burner gas cooktop, including a 20,000 BTU ultra-powered dual-flame burner for high-heat searing, boiling, or stir-frying. Whether you're simmering delicate sauces or cooking a full meal, the precision and control you get with this appliance are top-notch. What sets this range apart is its true convection oven, which ensures even baking across all racks. It heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperature, ideal for serious home chefs. The oven capacity is generous enough to handle multiple dishes at once, and the easy-to-clean interior makes post-cooking cleanup less of a chore. If you're looking for commercial-level performance and stylish design in one package, the KitchenAid Slide-In Range is worth every penny. Number 2. GE Profile Smart Slide-In Gas Range. The GE Profile Smart Slide-In Gas Range delivers a perfect blend of style, innovation, and power. This range features a powerful tri-ring burner that handles everything from a rapid boil to a gentle simmer with ease. The edge-to-edge cooktop gives you extra space for large pots and pans, and the built-in air fryer lets you enjoy crispy food without the need for oil or a separate appliance. Its stainless steel finish and slide-in design add a premium, built-in look to any modern kitchen. One of the standout features is its smart technology. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor your oven right from your smartphone using the Smart HQ app, preheat, change temperature, or check the timer remotely. It also works with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, making cooking even more convenient. If you're a home chef who values both functionality and connectivity, the GE Profile Smart Gas Range is a strong contender that's well worth the investment. Number 1. LG Smart Slide-In Gas Range. The LG Smart Slide-In Gas Range is worth a serious look. This sleek appliance features 5 powerful burners, including a high-heat burner for searing and a low-heat option for simmering delicate sauces. The stainless steel finish gives it a premium feel, while the slide-in design fits flush with your countertops for a built-in look. With a spacious oven capacity, it's perfect for everything from weekday dinners to holiday feasts. What truly sets this LG range apart is its smart connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi and LG's ThinQ technology, you can monitor and control your oven remotely, get notifications when preheating is done, or even sync it with Alexa or Google Assistant. The convection oven ensures even baking, and the air fry feature adds extra versatility without needing a separate appliance. Whether you're a casual cook or a kitchen enthusiast, this range delivers power, precision, and smart convenience all in one. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.